Welcome to the Long Range University, where you'll learn how to build native mobile apps that are fully integrated with your IBM I without having to acquire a whole new set of skills or technologies. Long Range 209 is the last of the installation videos. Make sure you've completed Long Range 201, 204, and 207 prior to starting this session. During this video tutorial, we will first download and install Long Range Studio on your computer, and secondly, configure your Rational Development environment to work with Long Range. Before we begin, locate your region support email address on the screen, just in case you get stuck along the way and need assistance. If you still have the confirmation email that contains the long-range trial information and download links, click on the first link in the email to access the Download Center. If you don't have the email or didn't bookmark the page during Long Range 204, the URL is www.longrangemobile.com/downloadstudio.htm. Click on the button Long Range Studio to download the install program to your PC. This video tutorial will download and install the English version. Download the zip file into a temporary directory like C:\temp, for example. Once the download is finished, right mouse click on the zip file. Go to the bottom of the menu and click on the Properties option for the zip file. When downloading content from the web, sometimes Windows will block certain files as a security precaution. That said, we need to see if our zip file has been blocked. If you see this Unblock button, click it. This lets Windows know you trust the content of the file. Otherwise, we may not be able to use it. The Unblock button becomes disabled once clicked. Click OK to continue. Next, we need to extract the zip file. Use your favorite zip program to extract the save file into the same temp directory. When the extraction is complete, an MSI file named Long Range Studio will appear in your temp directory. Right mouse click and choose Install. Make sure to accept the terms in the license agreement and click the Install button. When the installation completes, click the Finish button. You should now have the Long Range Studio shortcut on your desktop. Before we configure Long Range Studio, we need to map a drive to the Long Range folder on the IFS of your IBM I. This makes it easier to point to Long Range resources on the server. From your desktop, double-click the computer icon. If you don't have a computer icon on your desktop, launch Windows Explorer and click Computer on the left side panel. Select the Map Network Drive option on the toolbar. Select a drive letter that isn't taken. I'm going to use L. Tick the box for reconnecting at login so you don't have to remap the drive every time you want to use Long Range Studio. Then, type in the location of the Long Range folder in the IFS. The format is \\, the DNS or IP address of your IBM I server, \, the Axis folder name, \, Long Range. For examples, if you look at my path, demo.lancet.com is the DNS of my IBM I, and Axis is my folder name in the IFS, which is actually the default name. Click the Finish button. You should now have access to the IFS folder where Long Range is installed. If you're having trouble mapping a drive to the IFS, contact your local tech support team before continuing with this video. Go back to your desktop and double-click on the Long Range Studio shortcut. After Long Range Studio finishes loading, click on the Tools menu. Then select the Options menu to configure the resource directory. This directory will be used to store all images, icons, and any other files used with your Long Range application. Set the directory to be the resource directory from your map drive. For example, I've set mine to L:\resource. Just click the X in the upper right-hand corner of the Options window. This will save your changes. Next, we need to verify that you can open a schema. Click on the File menu and select the Open Schema option. Go to your map drive. In this example, I've gone to my L drive. Double-click on the schema directory. Next, double-click on the longrange-demo.lxp. If you don't see this file in your schema folder, then contact support. Longrange-demo.lxp is the schema for the sample apps demonstrated in Long Range 101, and it was installed on your device in Long Range 201 and 207. If you see items under the schema menu in the left panel of Long Range Studio, then Studio is set up correctly. Click the X in the upper right-hand corner of the screen to exit Long Range Studio. We highly recommend using Rational Developer for the Long Range University exercise because it's easier to copy and paste code examples into Rational than it is in SEU. If you don't have Rational Developer, you can download a 90-day free trial from IBM. All of the 300-level courses are based on using Rational Developer. Bring up your Rational Developer environment. The first thing we need to do is create a new connection to the long-range environment. Expand New Connection. Right mouse click on IBMI and select New Connection. For this screen, fill in the following information. Set the host name to the DNS or IP address of your IBMI. Set the connection name and description to LRU Demo. Click the Finish button when you are done. Go down to LRU Demo Connection and right mouse click on Objects, New, and select Object Filter. In the New Object Filter window, fill in the following information. Set library to LRNG_UNIV and object to LRU source like you see on the screen here. When you are finished, click Next. For filter name, enter LRNG_UNIV/LRU source as you see it on the screen here. Also, make sure the checkbox for Only Create Filter in this connection is selected. Click the Finish button when you are done. Next, expand objects under LRU Demo and locate the object filter we just created and expand it. When you expand the object filter for the first time, you will be prompted with your IBMI user ID and password. Your developer profile must be set up with the following details. First, the following long-range libraries must be in the job description of your user profile. LRNG_soft, LRNG_PROJ, LRNG_demo, LRNG_UNIV, and QTemp. Your developer profile must also have the authority to create, edit, delete, and compile RPG and DDS programs and LRNG_UNIV library. If you are able to sign into IBMI, then Rational Developer is successfully configured to work with Long Range University. Congratulations, you've completed Long Range 209. Now that you've finished all the installation videos, check out the 300-level sessions that walk you through building a native mobile app on your IBMI server, interacting with your IBMI app and data. Long Range 301 sets up the foundation for all 4 of the 300 workshops and finishes with implementing a search screen in your mobile app. Long Range 304 extends your current search screen to read and display your IBMI data. Long Range 307, you will continue to extend the app by allowing users to select an item from search result and view, edit, or delete the record. And finally, in Long Range 309, take your mobile app to the next level by adding even more features. If you have any product or pricing questions for Long Range, contact us by phone or the Long Range email address for your region. If you have any technical questions regarding any of the Long Range University sessions, use the support email address for your region. Congratulations once again for completing Long Range 209.